If you're also driving one of these Audis and get into the problem with the MMI system not working, this is how you can fix it the easiest way possible. Take the volume knob, which makes the volume go up and down. Right now mine is frozen. See, I'm moving it up and down, but the volume thing is stuck. It won't do anything. All you really do is hold it and the system goes off. It completely shuts off. You wait about 6 to 7 seconds, let it go. I prefer waiting a little bit longer, and then you simply press it back on and the system comes back in play, and now everything should be working like normal.